I woke up late. I woke up late. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. I left the door open. I left the door open. I can't find my bag. I can't find my bag. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. My shirt is wet. My shirt is wet. My socks are wet. My socks are wet. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I got the answer wrong. I got the answer wrong. I sent the wrong message. I sent the wrong message. I deleted the file by mistake. I deleted the file by mistake. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. My internet is slow. My internet is slow. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. My charger is not working. My charger is not working. My computer is frozen. My computer is frozen. The printer is not working. The printer is not working. The light went out. The light went out. The fan stopped working. The fan stopped working. My coffee is cold. My coffee is cold. My tea is too hot. My tea is too hot. My food is too salty. My food is too salty. I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee. I spilled soup on my shirt. I spilled soup on my shirt. I dropped my lunchbox. I dropped my lunchbox. My sandwich fell on the floor. My sandwich fell on the floor. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. I broke my umbrella. I broke my umbrella. I can't open this jar. I can't open this jar. My hands are full. My hands are full. I ran out of milk. I ran out of milk. It started to rain. It started to rain. The line is too long. The line is too long. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. The bus is late. The bus is late. I missed my train stop. I missed my train stop. I got lost. I got lost. My bike tire is flat. My bike tire is flat. I cut my finger. I cut my finger. I burned my hand. I burned my hand. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a cold. I have a cold. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel sick. I feel sick. I stepped in a puddle. I stepped in a puddle.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.